Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to stream Apple Music on Sonos speakers. Many of us love listening to our favorite tunes, and having them play seamlessly through our Sonos speakers can enhance the listening experience even further. So, let's get started on how you can enjoy your Apple Music on your Sonos system. Firstly, make sure you have the Sonos app downloaded on your device. You can find the app on the App Store for iOS users or the Google Play Store for Android users. Once you have the app installed, open it up and make sure your Sonos speakers are connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your device. Next, open the Sonos app and navigate to the Browse tab. From there, select Add Music Services and then choose Apple Music from the list of available services. You will be prompted to log in with your Apple ID to link your Apple Music account to your Sonos system. After successfully linking your Apple Music account, you can start browsing through your Apple Music library directly within the Sonos app. You can search for your favorite artists, albums, or playlists and play them on your Sonos speakers with just a few taps. One great feature of using Apple Music with Sonos is the ability to group multiple Sonos speakers together to play music throughout your home. Simply select the speakers you want to group in the Sonos app, choose the music you want to play, and enjoy a seamless listening experience in every room. And there you have it, a simple and straightforward way to stream your Apple Music on Sonos speakers. Now you can enjoy all your favorite tracks with the high-quality sound that Sonos is known for. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.